Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bonjour. I'm not French, by the way. And if you haven't already, could you just do what you need to do, subscribe, you know, here. And also give me a little thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your friends. Today's look isn't going to be a long one. It's just going to be teaching you how to do the perfect red lip for this festive season. So if you want to achieve this really simple red lip, then please keep watching. So first steps for the perfect red lip is I'm going to be going in with my foundation brush, which I've already got foundation on from when I did do my base. Pop that over the lips. What that does, it just creates a highlight around the lips. I'm going to go in with this pencil here, which is Cherry, which is a lip liner from MAC. I'm just going to begin to outline the lips. I'm going to fill the whole lip in with this pencil. Once the lip pencil's all over the lip and I've got the perfect sort of line, then I'm going to go in with this product here, which is a lip stain from Dior, and this is in shade 004. Once I'm happy with that lip colour, I'm just going to powder over it. Just using a loose powder from Rimmel. Any loose powder will do. And a brush. Just popping that on top. This will mattify the lip, but it'll also help to keep it on. Because the powder is translucent, you can stop here if you wanted to for a matte look lip. You can lock in the colour by adding a bit more colour over the top, or you can put a gloss over the top. I'm just going to add the lipstick that we had earlier, which is a Dior one. And that's now locked in place. I'm now going to go in with some concealer. The one that I'm going to be using is just a Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, and this one is in shade 10. And I'm just going to outline the edge of the mouth. And hide our little friend here. And that's my little tips for the perfect red lip. So guys, that was the little tutorial on how to do this really simple red lip. This also makes your teeth look really, really white as well, which is always a bonus. Also, I need to explain just quickly why I've got red here and red on my finger. So what you didn't know, as a little trick, I don't know what to say this because this sounds quite sexual, but if you suck your finger and take off the red lipstick off the inside of your lip here, it stops going onto your teeth. Bonus trick. Just before you go, if you could possibly subscribe to my channel, and if you could hit the little thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.